Hi there, I'm Elaine Kwok with Intel. Building live video applications can be difficult because they require high bandwidth processing and need to scale to many endpoints in the cloud. In this video, I'll tell you about two great solutions for live video streaming, the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC and the Intel Media Server Studio Professional Edition. Both the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC and the Intel Media Server Studio Professional Edition are two SDKs, one that handles WebRTC and one that handles media video transcoding. For developers who are looking to scale rich media applications in the cloud, the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC, the Intel Media Server Studio Professional Edition, and Intel Xeon servers enable a back-end infrastructure to reach end users for live video applications. First off, let's dive into WebRTC. WebRTC, or Web Real-Time Communications, is an open-source technology protocol that is behind the most popular social media applications, which allow you to do live video streaming. In addition, WebRTC is supported by most major browsers. The Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC was made to remove the complexity of developing with this technology by providing the right frameworks. In addition, it delivers performance enhancements to reduce the cost of broadcasting video streams. It is a set of tools that optimizes Intel architecture server performance and enables communications across protocols for many endpoints in the cloud. Intel's implementation of WebRTC includes accelerating video encoding or transcoding features from Intel's Media Server Studio Professional Edition. Here are some main applications that can be built with the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC. Video conferencing, such as groups that collaborate on a team project. Remote healthcare, such as when a doctor can be accessed across large and small hospitals. Or remote classrooms, where one instructor can interact with many students. One of the most common questions we get is if Intel's implementation of WebRTC supports MCU and SFU architectures, or a hybrid of both. And we do in fact support all the above. Now that we've covered the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC, let's now talk about the Intel Media Server Studio and how it can help reduce video bandwidth costs on the internet. The Intel Media Server Studio allows rich video encoding that can compress video streams. For example, some video streams can be compressed as much as 50% or more, which increases performance and saves bandwidth, and real-time video transcoding that supports multiple point data formats, such as converting a source video to phone, desktop, and tablet formats at the same time. The Intel Media Server Studio helps developers create video collaboration applications by adding easy-to-use APIs for managing the video streams. The Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC, combined with the Intel Media Server Studio, removes the complexity of building WebRTC-based applications and delivers performance enhancements to reduce the cost of video streaming. To learn more about the Intel Collaboration Suite for WebRTC and the Intel Media Server Studio Professional Edition, check out the links provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.